I was looking for a law firm which had someone who not only had expertise but wasn't intimidated by the case, because the case was actually quite a complex matter. I was advocating on behalf of someone else, which brought a whole different dimension to it, because I wasn't just making decisions that were in my best interests. I had to make decisions that were in somebody else's best interest. Attwood Marshall have been absolutely fantastic for me. Aside from the very, very complex legal matter, my late husband actually was diagnosed with terminal cancer, and I was able to contact Lucy via email because I was so upset when he got the diagnosis I couldn't speak to her, and discuss him getting a will. And by the end of business that day, I had 2 solicitors sitting at my dining room table with a completed will for my husband. So I will never forget what Attwood Marshall did for me with my husband, because it gave him peace. It actually has changed my view of lawyers, because it's a well-known fact that it's a lucrative business, and so the longer you stretch a matter out for, the more lucrative it is. But Lucy never did that, and I've actually been involved in some other matters since then. At all times they would come to me and say, this is what we would advise you to do, and this is how much it's going to cost. And this is how much we are legally allowed to charge, or this is something which you really need to consider whether you want to go forward with. And so I felt that they gave me very considered advice that took into account our circumstances. And I actually know that Lucy genuinely cares about me too. It's not about money, and it's not about stretching a matter out. It is literally about getting a result that's in our best interests.